Hi, my name is Rachel, and I am new to the YouTube space. And there was like a lot of things I didn't know about YouTube. I didn't know about content creation. And I was just doing whatever I think was right and whatever I think, well, people want to watch this and that. Until I stumbled across online hustle. And I saw that it was having a training on how to help people master the YouTube space and how to make videos and content. And I decided to join that training. That training taught me so many things, like even things I didn't know was a thing for YouTube. I learned keyword research. I learned how to design great thumbnails. I learned how to get like great topics. And then it was like an 8-hour course training all through. And Gerald was very, very on point. I learned how to edit videos. I learned just like things that you ordinarily not expect that, oh, this is going to affect my YouTube video, or this is going to play a huge role on if I'm going to get engagement on this particular video. All of these were things I learned from joining the training that Gerald had. And I'm so grateful and excited that I did. He also even went ahead to review my channel and told me what I was doing wrong and how to correct them. So if you are out there and you're like me, you're just starting out and you need guidance, you should definitely register for one of online hustle training. You are not going to regret it. The money that I paid was even way, way, way below what I should have paid for that training. Thank you, Gerald, for teaching me, and thank you for helping me out. This is definitely something that I'm going to recommend to anybody any day, anytime.
Right? Yeah, in fact, now I even know say it is easy.
Exactly, it's very easy to achieve. And once you build it up organically, what happens is that when you now start,
once you monetize, you start seeing money immediately.
You know, see, the funny thing is that when I go monetized,
you told me that if you said if I had bought all those subscribers, by now I'll be seeing cents. That's
the truth.
I'll be said to be.
And I have to give it to one boss. There's somebody, in life when everything is rough for you. Everything was rough for me when I came back from Ghana. I got a contract from Lagos State government. Everything went down because of the election thing. Nothing. I lost a lot of money. Somebody picked me up, and that person happens to be a YouTuber. That's Online Hustle TV. That's Gerald Umeh. It was one that just said, "Boss, let me just come and serve." I was introduced to affiliate marketing then. So before it was through this person that I get to know Forex. So that person came from my academy, come and do presentation. That's how I know Forex. And I went there for affiliate marketing. I saw presentation of Forex. I grew with Forex since then.
Wow.
But this man has always been supporting me, even when there's nothing. I told him I just want to be learning from him. He was giving me salary. I was the one that told him basically that, boss, stop giving me salary. Because as at then, when I started with him, before the month runs out, 40 it was paying me 50,000 naira then, 40,000 naira for transportation. As a family man, I have a wife at home.
A lot of responsibility.
So before the month end, I've begged for money. I've paid all my money even before the month end. Sometimes I just reach 5,000 naira at the end of the month. So, but it got to a time I just be like, boss, at the end of the month, have I paid you? I say no. Oh, you just tell me my salary to match. I said, boss, please don't pay me again.
Wow.
Because then he supported me, he gave me $50 then to buy a Profen. He was giving me, he was supporting me, and then that's how I started learning from YouTube. I bought some courses and things like that. I give it to you, Online Hustle, Gerald Umeh. I give it to you, boss. And he was very, very happy with my success. He was very, very happy. He was always supporting me. So he knew happy. When I told him I'm coming to you, it was like, big up to you, dine with the big boys in the game.
I was really much focused on let me see the dollar side and see, I was just thinking because most people that I know that got monetized on YouTube, they either go through the means of buying audience and
I told you specifically.
You told me specifically
do not do it.
Don't try it.
Right? Do not do it. It's actually counterproductive.
Yeah.
Because it will not help you.
Yeah.
And my thinking is very simple. If I buy subscribers on YouTube, right? Then I pay like 200K to buy subscribers on YouTube, for instance. Then I now start making videos. there's nobody to watch that video.
Yeah, because all those ones they are
They
just
were bots. They are fake bots.
Yeah.
You know, you bought them. You know, they are fake accounts and everything. So nobody's going. So you're not even going to make your money back.
Exactly.
It's a waste of funds.
Hello guys, my name is Okafemere Cynthia and I'm the founder of Cafe Crypto, a crypto media and marketing agency. You can check that out on YouTube. I'm also a student of YouTube Money Secrets by Gerald Umeh. This is a training that actually I can recommend for any YouTuber, right? If you are doing YouTube business and you want to scale your business, you are still struggling at the level where you are and you are looking for a training that will help you to scale your YouTube business and also make more money from YouTube, then Gerald's training is a must attend. During the course of the training, I implemented one of the secrets that he taught us in the training, and within that 5 hours of the training, I started getting results immediately. That is to show you how powerful this training can be to your YouTube business.
Hey, big shout out to Online Hustle TV. Big thanks to you, Gerald. I really appreciate it. The training was awesome, I must confess. I felt like even as an adult, I was handheld all the way. And now I have my own YouTube channel. I'm doing great stuff. I've been able to do quite a lot number of things without having to pay for it, because I did over the years I've had people say, oh, you have to pay me money to do design, to do this and that. But with the with the training, I was able to achieve that without getting worried, and I've actually saved a lot of money, and I see the results coming in because now I no longer have to worry. I feel this training was very, very impactful, and I must say a big thank you. I owe you a lot. Well, I also feel like you under promised and over delivered. So in that case, the money was worth it, and you delivered more. So we actually paid less for what we got. I really appreciate, bro. Your thanks all the way. I can't wait to see what you're coming up next to, what I'm gonna add, what more feature I need to do, what more I need to learn from you. I feel like if I have my way and you give me the opportunity to actually come sit by you on a weekly basis, or have to do anything for you in order to learn more, I'll go out of my way to do it, man. Thanks, bro.